Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Pattern. So guys, in today's video I have beautiful collection of these sandals or slippers with which are made with crochet art. You can use your old slippers and simple plastic slippers to make these stylish slippers with the crochet art. There are so many ideas in this video you will find, and you will love to make these beautiful slippers for you. You can make any kind of matching pair of slippers with your any kind of outfit, just using your art of crochet. As you can see, these are really simple slippers, but you can make them something really amazing and eye-catching with crochet art. The patterns are here in this video. You will find so many ideas and patterns to make your slippers more stylish and colorful. All the designs are eye-catching with the beautiful color combinations and the ideas of flowers, frills and 3D flowers. You can make your slippers looking really stylish and make them beautiful. Just buy a simple pair of slippers of plastic and make these beautiful flowers, 3D flowers and ideas from this video. Make them really expensive and stylish looking slippers. As you can see, all the designs are really eye-catching with beautiful color combinations. I hope you're liking them. I hope you will love to make these beautiful ideas and using these ideas for your slippers. And if you love them, please share these beautiful ideas with your friends and family so that they can also use these ideas for their crochet projects. As you can see, all the designs are really eye-catching with beautiful color combinations. I hope you're liking the collections. I hope you like all the collection which I share on my channel, and please let me know in the comments what else you want to watch, so I'll be making more videos according to your need, according to your likings. I'll be sharing more video for. As you can see, all the designs are really eye-catching with beautiful art of crochet. You can make your simple looking slippers to a really amazing and stylish slipper, and you will love to wear these slippers with your beautiful outfits. You can use any kind of color, any kind of thread of crochet to make these beautiful slippers. All the patterns are really easy. You can make it by yourself at home. If you know how to crochet, you can make anything really amazingly. If you don't know, you can buy it online. There are so many people selling these beautiful slippers. You can just take idea from my video and use these ideas for selecting your favorite slippers. All the designs are really eye-catching and stylish. I love all the design. I hope you also love these beautiful designs. If you like them, please let me know in the comment. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that I can make more video accordingly and share beautiful ideas with you. Thank you. And guys, please share this video with your friends so that they can also use these ideas of crochet, and they will also love these beautiful collections. I'll be sharing more videos of crochet.